Hey Sambar Squad, we are back with another video. We're going to be checking out our 1991 Subaru Supercharged Super Deluxe Dump, the Super Sambar. And yes, today we are going to be looking at an important, crucial element to your Supercharger's operation. We're going to change out the old oil, because if you don't have oil and you're not lubricating your bearings, no bearings means no boost for you. And life is no more fun. There's two 10mm bolts holding on this plastic cover. Next we want to locate the supercharger, which is next to the alternator. With the plastic cover out of the way, there's a 12mm drain bolt that doubles as a dipstick. Just be careful because there is a metal washer in between there. You're going to want to go ahead and dip-a-roo. There are two lines on the drain bolt dipstick. One's a low line and one's a fill line. The top one near the top of the bolt is the fill line. It's hard to read, but I was pretty low. I was at the low line. So now we're going to use this AC Delco Supercharger oil. I looked online and it said that the AMR300 is okay to use with this AC Delco Supercharger oil. I want to extract the oil with a little plunger. You're going to need a 6mm hex, a nice skinny magnet to get the 12mm bolt out, your favorite ratchet of course, an extension and a 12mm and a 10mm. Remove the top bolt, which is going to be your fill bolt. This piece is very interesting. It came with the kit. It's a certain medical device that you insert somewhere. Keeping in good faith with YouTube, we're going to leave that for another video. I would suggest poking a hole further down into that tube and then use your siphoning action. Draw out as much of that old fluid as you possibly can. This was actually part of a kit from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. This worked so perfectly. The fill bolt on top of the supercharger is the 6mm hex bolt. The AMR300 is a Roots Bloody Roots style supercharger used in the Subaru and any of these small engine go-kart and motorcycle engines. AC Delco claims this is formulated to work with all the superchargers. The supercharger took 80 milliliters of the special sauce. So if I left 10 milliliters in there, that's a good portion. I'm happy with that. I just kept periodically checking the drain plug, making sure there was enough fluid in there. The fill capacity for the AMR300 is 90 milliliters. Keep your supercharger's bearings bathing in the nectar of the gods. Thank you dearly for watching, everyone. Every single last one of you. I love you all. Take care, everybody. We'll see you soon.